page number 151, question number 8. Following balances is taken from the books of Patel Limited. Prepare statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31/3/2017 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Now, this format of profit and loss, have you gone through it?
Yes.
We start with first revenue from operations. That is sales. Inner column 3,81,000. Second, other income. Now, is there any other income over here? Sale of scrap. Sale of scrap. 10,500. What's the total? 3,91,500. This is our total revenue, which is 1 plus 2. Total revenue 1 plus 2 is third. Then fourth. Expenses. Now the first expense is purchase, but over here we don't have purchase, we have cost of material consumed. Inner column 1,87,500. Then second is change in stock, already given. Change in stock of finished goods. What is change in stock? Opening stock minus closing. 12,000. Next, direct expense. Direct expense. What do we have in direct expense over here? कुछ भी दिया नहीं है. Okay, if we have written dash, no direct expense. क्या आता है direct expense में? Wages, carriage, freight, all trading account, purchase related expenses. Okay. Now wages को अलग अलग तरीके से treat किया. I'll come to that when we do a sum where wages is given. Then employee benefit expense. उसके अंदर salary 78,000. Salary, bonus, commission, contribution to provident fund. Finance cost. All interest will go to finance cost. We have interest paid. $9,000. Depreciation and amortization. Amortization is for intangible assets. 84,000. Other expense. Over here, other expense is office and administrative expense. $15,600. That's it. Close it. What's the total? 3,86,100. Subtract 5,400. Fifth, This is our profit before tax. Sixth, provision for tax. Is it given in the sum?
Yes.
30%. At the rate 30%. 1620.
Yes.
Subtract. What we get is 7. Yeah, wait. 7. Profit after tax. 3780. Now, ये जो wages है ना, come to page number 132. Now you can see wages is given as part of direct expense. But ये wages किसको मिलता है? Workers को मिलता है, right? Okay, now ये wages कौन से type का wages है? We have not been given any information. Page 144 में you can see wages is given. Ideally, where should it go? Direct expense, but where has it gone? Employee benefit भी हो सकता है ना? Okay, then anywhere else? Not given. So wages can be taken as direct expense. Wages can be taken as employee benefit. Okay, while going through some solutions in the guide, I saw that wages was also treated in one of the sum as part of other expense. But we follow the textbook. तो इसको treat करो as employee benefit. Page number 151, question number 9. Let's go through the sum. Following is the balance sheet of KU Limited as on 31/3/2017. Equity share capital, office and sales expense, purchase. अच्छा ये तुम बाइफरकेट इधर ही कर लो कि क्या किधर किधर जाएगा, थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा. Okay, now let's check out equity share capital. अरे भाई वो तो मुझे भी पता है भाई, बैलेंस शीट तो कहीं पे भी लिख दोगे. Shareholders fund. Then office and sales expense is other expense. Purchases will go to profit and loss. Then 10% debenture, long-term borrowing, non-current. Non-current liabilities में long-term borrowing is 10% debenture. Then sales, revenue, software, fixed asset, intangible, wages, employee benefit, debenture interest, finance cost, salary, employee benefit, bank overdraft, short-term borrowing. Current liabilities में land and building, fixed asset, tangible, opening stock हम इसको adjust करेंगे closing के साथ, change in stock in profit and loss, and discount received other income, and debtors trade receivable current asset. Got it? Now over here we have adjustment of closing stock 42,000 and closing stock 42,000 and provision for tax at 50% of net profit. Where we will give the effects of provision. One will be profit and loss. Second will be balance sheet in current liabilities. किसमें आएगा उसके अंदर short term provision. Okay. Where will closing stock go? First effect change in stock. Second effect inventories. Very good. Let's start the sum. What we do first is we'll prepare profit and loss. So let's start with revenue from operations. Sales 9,60,000. Other income discount received 15,600. Total 9,75,600. Third, total revenue 1 plus 2. Fourth, expenses. First is purchase. Purchases 4,26,000 inner column. Changes in stock of finished goods. Opening stock minus closing stock, which is opening stock is 36,000 minus closing stock is 42,000 negative. So we'll write in the bracket 6,000. 6,000. Bracket यानी negative. Understood this? Okay. Then direct expense. Do we have direct expense? दिया direct expense कुछ भी फिर भी लिख देते direct expenses. What we can take over here? We can take wages, but because in the textbook it is given as employee benefit, will follow the textbook. So direct expense dash CDE, employee benefit expense, salary plus wages. Salary is 3 lakh and wages is 24,000. 3,24,000. C, D, E, F, finance cost. Interest, debenture interest, 12,000. Depreciation, and amortization. Given depreciation? Is it given? No. Dash. Other expense. Office and sales expense. $24,000. That's it. Close. 7,80,000. Fifth, profit before tax. 1,95,600. Sixth, provision for tax. What percentage? 50%. Seventh, profit after tax. Now, we start with the heading equity and liabilities. First, shareholders fund. A. Share capital ब्रैकेट में इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल amount is 2,40,000. B. Reserves and surplus. Profit from statement of profit and loss. From here, we will write 97,800. Total 3,37,800. Second, non-current liabilities. A. LOL, so long term borrowings. Debentures, 10% debentures, 1,20,000. So directly outer column. Third, current liabilities. What do we have in current liability? Short-term borrowing. Bank overdraft. Amount is 14,400. We also have short-term provisions. Creditors भी नहीं है, trade payables भी नहीं है, other भी नहीं है, तो directly short-term provisions. Now short-term provision में we have provision for tax. Amount is 97,800. 97,800 total 1,12,200. That's it. $5,70,000. Second, assets. First, non-current assets. Non-current asset में fixed asset, tangible. What do we have in fixed asset? Tangible, land and building. Amount is 2,28,000. Then we have fixed assets, intangible, software, 1,20,000. 3,48,000. Current assets. We don't have current investment. We have inventories. Yes. So inventories. We have closing stock. Closing stock over here 42,000. Closing stock 42,000. Trade receivable that is debtors 1,80,000. That's it. Anything else? CIT CSO Commissioner of Income Tax. क्या बोला? Cash show करो. Okay. So we have current investment, inventory, trade receivable, then cash. बराबर है. Then short term. Okay, and other. Super. Total कर लो 2,22,000. 2,22,000. So total comes to 5,70,000. Total. पहला कंपनी फाइनल अकाउंट्स का सम तुम्हारा टैली हो गया. अमेजिंग, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. जबरदस्त एफर्ट किया तुम लोग ने इसके लिए. Page number 152, question number 10. Following is the trial balance of Path Limited as on 31/3/2017. Now sales will go to profit and loss, revenue from operation, employee benefit expense will go to profit and loss. Okay, as a part of expense. Inventory inventory will go to current asset, finance cost expense, P&L, security premium reserve and surplus fixed asset, tangible, non-current asset, trade payable, current liability, equity share capital, shareholder fund, trade receivable, current asset, other income, profit and loss, long-term borrowing, non-current liability, long-term borrowing, cash and bank balance, current asset, depreciation, profit and loss, cost of goods sold. Purchase, yes, or we can say the part of our expenses. And non-current investment, again non-current asset. No other information is given for tax or anything. Okay, let's start. First, revenue from operation. Sales 11,25,000. Other income. Do we have other income? क्या है other income में भाई? 30,000 already given. 30,000. 11,55,000. Third, total revenue 1 plus 2. Fourth, expenses, cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold amount is 6 lakh. Since cost of goods sold is given, purchase, direct expense, change in stock is already part of this. Okay. Employee benefit expense. Already given 1,95,000. Finance costs. $26,250. Depreciation 33,750. Other expense given. Do we have other expense? No. Total 8,55,000. 3 lakhs. Fifth, profit before tax less provision for tax. Sixth and seventh, profit after tax. We go to balance sheet. First, equity and liabilities. First, shareholders fund. A, share capital. Equity share capital 7,50,000. Equity share capital. B, reserve and surplus. Here we have profit from statement of profit and loss. 3 lakhs. कहाँ से आई है 3 lakh? From statement of profit or loss. Securities premium. $60,000. That's it. Total 11 lakh 10,000. 10. 11 lakh 10,000. Second, non-current liabilities. In non-current liabilities, we have first long-term borrowing. $5,25,000. What do we have next over here? Other long-term liabilities and long-term provisions. But यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ भी दिया नहीं है. So we can directly transfer it. 5,25,000. Third, current liabilities. Short-term borrowings? नहीं है. Yes, we have trade payables. Trade payables. $90,000. Anything else? That's it. Total. Second, assets. What's the total? 12 lakh. 12 and 5, 17 lakh 25,000. Assets. First, non-current asset. Fixed asset tangible 12 lakh. Fixed assets tangible 12 lakhs. Then non-current investments. $2,10,000. That's it. 14,10,000. Second, current assets. Inventories. $1,65,000. Trade receivables. $60,000. Cash and bank balance. That's it. Total 3,15,000. So final total 17,25,000. Total. मजा आ गया?